The sun sets over the vast savannah, painting the sky in hues of orange and gold. Animals begin to settle, but in the heart of the village of Nakuru, the fire crackles with life. The village elder, Baba Tumelo, sits among eager children and curious adults. He raises his hand for silence. Come close, my children, for tonight I shall tell you the story of Nyoka's promise. A tale of courage, betrayal, and the power of keeping one's word. Long ago in the kingdom of Imbala, there was a powerful river spirit named Nyoka. She ruled the waters with kindness but demanded one thing from the people: honesty. No man or woman could drink from her river unless they spoke truthfully. One year, a terrible drought struck the land. Crops withered, animals perished, and the people were desperate. King Tao, a proud and cunning man, approached the river. O great Nyoka, I come with a humble heart. I seek your waters to save my people. Nyoka's shimmering form rose from the water. If you come with truth, you may drink, but if you lie, the river shall turn to stone. King Tao bowed his head. I promise to share the water with all who need it. But the king lied. As soon as he filled his golden urn, he sealed the riverbanks with guards. Only the wealthy drank, while the poor were left to suffer. Nyoka saw this betrayal and let out a mighty roar. The waters turned to stone. Not a single drop remained. For your deceit, the river shall remain stone until one with a pure heart makes a greater sacrifice than the king's greed. Years passed. In a small village, a brave girl named Amani decided to find Nyoka. She traveled through the forest of whispers, where the trees spoke in riddles. She crossed the mountains of echoes, where every lie was repeated tenfold. When she reached the stone river, she knelt before Nyoka. Great Nyoka, I bring no lies. I offer my most precious possession, my voice. Let the river flow again for my people. Nyoka's eyes shimmered. Your voice? Without it, how will the world know your heart? Actions speak louder than words. Amani placed a single stone in the riverbed. It glowed bright as the sun. Slowly water began to flow again. The land flourished, but Amani's voice was gone. Years later, when the people gathered around the fire, they would tell the story of Amani, the girl who gave her voice so others could live. And so, my children, remember this. A promise is not just words, it is the weight of your heart. Let your actions speak as loud as your voice. Credits: written by Nathaniel Ormsby, narrated by AI voice, produced by Vision of ETV.